My name is Joe, and you can call me Joe. It's my English name. I'm very happy to be here today at the Global AI Summit. The topic of my presentation is designing multi-agent AI teaching assistants using the Coze platform. Application, okay, sorry. Application in mathematics and Chinese language learning. I'm currently a PhD student at ECNU, the same as Yuan Hall. Studying at the Lab of AI for Education. I'm also a student interpreter. In today's presentation, I will be sharing how we use AI and multi-agent systems to improve learning experience, especially in language learning, in Chinese language learning and mathematics. Let's get started. Okay, this slide is about the background and key concept. In this section, I will give a brief overview of the background and introduce the key concepts that are central to our work. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been rapidly growing in recent years, and one area where it's making a significant impact is education. AI has helped transform learning from a one-size-fits-all approach into something more personalized, flexible, and interactive. In our project, we are using AI to create teaching assistants, but not just any AI. We are using what we call agents. These agents are like digital assistants that can perceive their environment, make decisions, and perform specific actions to help students learn more effectively. Even more exciting is the use of multi-agent systems. This means we are not relying on a single agent, but multiple agents that work together. For example, one agent might help students understand the math problem, while another focuses on providing feedback on their answer. This collaboration creates a more complete and engaging learning experience. Now, I'll introduce the Coze, Coze, the platform that powers our AI teaching systems. Coze is a comprehensive AI chatbot development platform. Its main goal is to simplify chatbot creation, even for people with limited program experience. One of the best things about Coze is the ease of use. The platform has an intuitive interface with drag and drop programmer to create your own AI bot. Forms functionality by creating customer plugins, which can integrate with existing APIs. Lastly, feature and can help to work together to handle complex logics. And this slide, we will talk about the difference between Coze AI bot and the general large language models. One of the things that makes Coze AI bots stand out is their ability to create a more personalized and human-like experience for users. With Coze, we can design unique avatars, logos. For example, you can see a girl in this chatbot, and even give each bot a specific name. For example, this chatbot is called Xiaoqing, like a Chinese girl, a Chinese teacher. This specification makes the bot feel more approachable and friendly to students. It's almost like interacting with a virtual teacher or tutor, which helps students feel more comfortable and engaged. Beyond just being human-like, Coze also allows to expand the capability of the AI bots. We can integrate plugin skills, connects them to knowledge bases, and set up workflows that allow the bots to handle more complex tasks. This means the bots are not just answering basic questions. They can provide more precise or detailed experience um, to the specific educational part is the multi-agent systems. Each agent is designed to focus on a particular task, and they work together to solve problems more effectively. For example, one agent might handle calculations, while another focus on feedbacks. First, I will introduce the first case, that the chatbot is designed by my HSK IC code. HXC is about Chinese learning 汉语水平考试. The HSK has some require students to get a level to use Chinese speaking. With Coze, we designed a unique intro and introduction about this HSK IC code called Xiaoqing. This personalization makes both feel more approachable. For the next part, we cite the persona and promote. This is a code setting that defines the both personality, tone, and purpose. And next is the plugins. We cite some plugins for example, the OCR plugins. It can scan the picture with the HSK Chinese IC, and the DOC PDF reader plugins. It can read the DOC fields. These plugins are vital to the pause functionality. The last one is the opening text and per questions. And you can see you can see this is an example of the opening question. Warm and inviting welcome.
Johi Jo, are you there? Can I share your video? Like to share his video because of this bad connection. Like,
Hello, can you hear me?
yeah, Johi Jo, are you there? Yeah, we cannot see your screen. Can you share your screen, or I would like to share your video?
I'm still here, but I don't know why the screen is disappeared. I'll share my screen again. Can you see the screen?
Yes, we can see the screen.
Okay, sorry. And the temperature is set to 0.5 to ensure the generated text is consistent and professional. The max token is controls the maximum length of text generation. We set the max token to 2048, allowing detailed responses without excessive delays. The top P value is set to 1 enriching vocabulary diversity, and the frequency and response present penalties are set to 0 to ensure the key information can be repeated. This setting ensures that AI provides accurate and relevant feedbacks for students. Okay, let's start introduce to the next case, the case 2, HSK speaking coach. This chatbot is designed by multi-agent. At the heart of the system is a Chinese teacher called Xiaoqing, or personal mentoring over one personal mentoring over teachers. Xiaoqing provides a friendly and approachable way for students to practice their mentoring through voice conversations. One of the key features of this board is the ability to diagnose grammar issues during these conversations. As students speak, as the tutor listens and identifies any mistakes and offers corrections in real time. This creates a more interactive and responsive learning experience. For the chatbot, we use the GPT-4o, 4Turbo, and Coze 3.5 Sonnet. And these models work together to handle both conversation and grammar analysis. GPT-4o and 4 facilitate the dialogue, while Cloud 3.5 is an actual layer of grammar correction and feedback report. The board is integrated with the Coze platform's compassion app called CC, where users can use the CC application for with your iPhone or Samsung or Huawei mobile phone, and you can just speak to the chatbot called Xiaoqing. On this side, I'll show you the multi-agent structure of the HSK speaking coach Xiaoqing. The interaction begins with the basic dialogue agent, which start with the conversation and accesses the user's general speaking ability. Based on the evolution and the flow devices, if the user requires more specific guidance, the system will turn the agent to the language ability diagnostic agent. This agent analyzes the user's Chinese language skills in real time, focusing on grammar, fluency, and pronunciation. Next, the guided content generation agent creates personalized content that target the areas need improvement, providing the user with a tailored practice suited to their correct level. At the end section, the dialogue practice summary generation agent compiles the conversation data and produce a performance summary of the student. This report will help users to track their progress and identify areas for further focus. All the agents are connected by global jump conditions, which manage transitions between agents. If the user decided to end the section early, or if the dialogue exceeds 50 turns, the system jumps to the summary generation agent and give a report to the student and end the conversation. Next, the third case for the chatbot is called the stepwise tutor. Is designed for math learning. And this chatbot is designed to assist students in solving math problems through a Socratic step-by-step approach. This bot uses models GPT-4o, for Turbo, Claude, and so on, to guide students through each part of the problem, instead of directly giving them a solution. As the student works through the steps, the tutor identifies any gaps in their understanding the offered taught recommendations to help them improve. This way, students can not only solve the problems, but also learn more effectively through target feedbacks. This slide shows the multi-agent structure behind the stepwise tutor. It's a little more complex than the last one. It begins with the problem recognition and confirmation agent, which ensures the problem is correctly understood before moving forward. It will double check with the student if the problem or if the math question is scanned correctly. Next, the agent called the step-by-step explanation agent breaks the problem into smaller parts, making sure the student comprehends each step. The interactive questioning agent checks the understanding, promoting the student to engage more deeply. If a concept needs further clarification, the concept review agent steps in too and reinforce understanding. When complex calculation are needed, the programming-oriented agent handles the computation. Finally, the progress tracking agent summarizes the section and gives an overall feedback report to the student. In this slide, we look into two key concepts and dividing stepwise tutor. First, for the POT, program of source agent design, can help the stepwise tutor to handle complex calculations. This agent translates problems into Python code and runs the code to verify the accuracy of the result provided by the large language model. This method significantly boosts accuracy, especially in fields like math and programming, where precise calculation are crucial. The second part is the Socratic teaching method, which focuses on the engaging students through a series of thought-provoking questions. Instead of directly giving the answer, the AI promotes students to think critically. Along the way, the AI diagnoses the students' knowledge gaps based on their responses and recommends exercises to help them improve. This method not only deepens the understanding, but also ensures the students stay motivated to learn. And now, let me explain how you can test this multi-agent AI teaching assistance. First, on the Coze.com platform, you can search for the HSK coach or stepwise tutor to chat with the chatbot. On Coze, COI, you can also upload images such as mouse problems or your Chinese essays for the bot to analyze the provide feedbacks. This feature is ideal for handling pictures and directly from your computer. What's more, if you prefer voice interactions, you can use the CC app available on both iPhone and Android. And you can download this application from iPhone App Store. CC supports voice conversations, which is especially useful for the bots like HSK speaking coach, and you can just speak Chinese to the coach. And that requires spoken language practice. Both platforms offer different ways to engage, whether you are processing images on Coze or practicing speaking on CC. Oh, that's all for my presentation. And the last slide is how to contact my information. I like to continue the conversation and hearing your thoughts. And you can reach me via my email and connect me on the LinkedIn. I'm always open to questions, ideas, and any thoughts. Feel free to ask me anything.